El primer premio para representar a España el año que viene en el World Cosplay Summit es para...
Okay, it's currently Tuesday and I'm going to Spain next Monday, which means I have less than a week, and I have officially not finished any of the cosplays that I am supposed to be wearing for the competition. Are you panicking? Nah. Yeah, I was supposed to be finished last week and I have not finished yet, and I just had a major malfunction with my wardrobe and I have to remake part of the skirts now. Yeah, I should be sewing right now. I think we have a little bit of a problem. When I made the skirt, and this skirt is totally done, I did notice it was too wide and I did put it on the pattern, but I forgot to modify it and the skirt literally falls off now. So everything is finished and I'm leaving in 3 days and the skirt doesn't fit me. So I'm gonna have to, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna have to do. I think I'm gonna have to just like take it in on the back or something like that. I don't have time for this. So, before I could even start packing my cosplay, I had to make sure to modify all the little pieces that were not working. Always test your cosplays before the event and don't be like me and keep sewing till the day before you're flying at midnight. I tried gluing this, but it didn't work either, so now I need to figure out how to attach this belt. Don't you worry, all important things are packed. Finally, it was time to fly to Spain, with everything ready to compete. Or so I thought. The truth is, none of the stage props had done. And neither is the dress of my friend. Profesionales.
Como debe ser.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I just came back from my friend's house. It's currently, would it be Thursday already? Like it's Wednesday or Thursday. I'm just very quiet because everybody else is asleep at home. But yeah, it's kind of like very late. We are going to take the train to Barcelona tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow. It just, don't know when. Not in the morning, but the next morning. And we have not finished. So yeah, tomorrow I need to wake up early and just finish making all the stage props and everything. My friend still has to sew most of her costume because it's not done. I've been sewing ruffles for the last 5 hours and yeah, I'm just gonna try to sleep a little bit because there's more to do in the morning. Good night. And back to work. Another sleepless night, and a few hours later, we were finally ready to get the train. Which doesn't mean we had finished. This is all for 2 people. It was a lovely 9-hour trip. At least the company was good.
Tú sabes porque sabes lo de la multa de que viene. Viene de que el autor odiaba.
Lunch. And we finally made it to Barcelona. So we could carry on working, of course. Señora y señora. Muy bien. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Cuánto falta para el evento?
Exactamente 8 horas.
Vale.
No, 10 horas.
Midnight. It's midnight. The event is tomorrow. Yes, we are so well prepared. Like, yes. Perfect. Just taking the whole apartment just to make sure everything fits. We need to put the door together, but this is so cool! Here we are. Woo, everybody!
A ver quién al final quién lleva más café.
Woo. She found the perfect boyfriend. Love. It's the day. Good morning. Hola. Professional massage before. Okay, we are about to start the revision. Probably you can't hear anything, but yeah, we are as ready as we can be. We are really nervous, but we made it. It has been a very long journey. I started this project many months earlier, and don't get me wrong, it had its highs and its lows, but I would have never imagined I would be able to wear my favorite character to the biggest convention in Spain with my best friends. And after many months of very hard work, it was finally time to get on stage.
Esta vez a Final Fantasy. Vamos ahora a probablemente la que sea la entrega más famosa, la que les dio toda la gloria, porque incluso se ha llegado a hacer película de animación e incluso tiene un remake. Las siguientes participantes son Lina y Alice, que vienen de Tifa y Aerith de Final Fantasy VII.
Got guests, and y'all got first crack at entertaining. Oh, yeah! So, ready to get to it?
Yeah, I guess I'm good to go whenever. How about you, Tifa?
More guys between us. Okay, let's not keep crowd waiting.
Right.
Wait, I know you. Coliseum. What the hell?
Get down!
Stupid!
filled me in on the situation. They come bearing gifts with gear. I'll do what I can to clean this up. Just finish the job.
Thank you!
Sorry, but your boys had to learn some manners too.
What the?
Well, it didn't all go according to plan, but the only thing left to do was to wait and, of course, to have fun. Until it was finally time to announce the winners.
Este pedazo de cheque que haremos entrega ahora mismo a los ganadores. El primer premio para representar a España el año que viene en el World Cosplay Summit es para...
Yeah, we didn't win, but there was a very good reason for it. The winners were so good, their cosplays were amazing and their performance was over the top. They totally deserved it. And that doesn't mean that we didn't have fun. It was a great time and we loved competing and meeting other cosplayers who all did so well. Actually, here you have a summary.
Vamos a completar. Venga,
No need for gods. Rhea, your reign of tyranny is over.
Solo es mío y nadie va a quitármelo, piojosa inmunda.
Es la nueva candidata, señor Master. Sí,
dulce llamada de los secretos. Solo una muerte honesta te curará ahora.
After a very long day, we went back to see the event and of course we had a celebration meal because we deserved it.
¿Quieres decir algo? Tengo mucha hambre. I'm hungry.
But hey, don't you think I forgot to give you some of the glam shoots? tough one, but I probably had the best event of my life with the best friends in the world, and who knows, maybe we are back next year. But for sure, I know that I am going to carry on cosplaying and having fun, so make sure to be back next week when I will show you my first cosplay of the year. Until then, I will be seeing you in the next adventure. Bye!